evil leaders, though we don't have leaders in Igbo land. That's why the so-called leaders doesn't want to talk. Because all of them are under Fulani Caliphate. If I hasten more gentle, my life is not in your people's hand. My life is in the God's hand. And English Alahaji, listen and listen very carefully. Stay away from Biafran issue. Take off. Remove yourself from Biafran issue. Stay away from Biafran issue. You get that? Do you get that? You are just talking rubbish. Do you know how many Biafran soldiers, Biafran militaries, do you know Biafran civilians that these people have sucked their blood? And you are talking rubbish. Be careful. Be careful with Biafrans. Be careful. Base your own side. We are terrorists. We are terrorists are giving a guy name Boko Haram. Islam. Security of Fulanis in Nigeria. We are which Nigeria? In Nigeria. Nothing like Fulani in Nigeria. As a collude country. A collude nation that calls themselves a country. British colonial business center. British colonial business center. Who do you think that you people are deceiving? We don't belong to Nigeria. We are not in Nigeria. We are Biafrans and we belong to Biafrans. And Biafrans all alone. You see, this nation can never know peace or can never see peace except Biafra is free. Biafrans, this is time for you people to stand up. Stood up. Stand up. This is the hour. Stand up, Biafrans. Don't deceive Bola too much. Too much. And for you, Ijele, Udele, since everly I started this program, I started this struggle, I never mentioned your name. Udele that I was mentioning was second to Sapele, and since then I mentioned Udele, second of Sapele. Are you a second to Sapele? The second in command of Sapele, his name was Udele. Now you carry everything up head. You carry everything on your head. They pursue who is not after you. You see today, met your funny shigi. Here in camera and when I catch your follow leave. Met your funny shigi. Or more Gentle D Yahoo. If forget, met your funny shigi. Ada jidi kukulaka. Owo no juku won la war. E mana mo ya won la war. Hence ojuku won la war. Ma won la war. You can go reap. You can go reap. Don't worry. About also, I go mine. Fake pastor. Why your pastor in US? Bogo where Pastor Jovika. Jovika. This is Gentle D Yahoo. You see all those money that you people collected from Nigeria to fight against your own people. Today, from today, when I go pay back. It has happened. It's pure evidence. And this evidence is supposed to make the world, entire world, Biafra, Nigeria, the so-called Nigerians, shouldn't be listening to each and every one of you. Because you people are a bunch of liars. Carton of propagandas. This is Gentle D Yahoo. Huh? Thank God, we all are alive. We all are alive. All the whole commanders in Biafra, 40 state of Biafra, we all alive. And we are upgrading. Yes, I will message Biafrans today. I will address Biafrans today. Let me dance finish. Biafrans, rejoice. Rejoice. I come in peace. I come in peace. I come in peace. Hope, both of them, I didn't be say you listen to me. You see all those people surrendering you. They are your enemy. They are your enemies. Now, people have been moving around Okigwe as I am hearing. That everywhere is calm. Hope has done it. What work have you done? Let the world hear it. Let my people hear it. I will address Biafrans today. Today, being 28, 2026, January, Eke Market. I will address Biafrans today. People will hear and understand. And thank God, my master, the triple general. Huh? He is still coming up today with me. We all are alive. We have been watching. You have seen? It has been a long we have been calling all of you. Let us come together. Let us come together. Togetherness we move. We achieve what we are looking for. You see, since we are in a sick bed, we have been listening and watching to see or to hear whether all those men you recruited, we perform, we do well at least. If we hear the news, we can be happy. They did nothing. They were just there eating, selling some material that you have been selling for them. I must talk up this time around, since you people don't have listening ear. We are here on the ground suffering, and you people are over there making money, making your money because of your selfish interests, and you people are fighting each other, thinking that it will work out for you people. It can never work out for you people. We all alive. The men on ground, we all alive. We all are alive. All the whole major generals in 40 states of Biafra are alive, including our master, the triple general. Yeah? Adamaka. We come in peace. Hope of them, we come in peace. Soludo, be one. Soludo, be one. Ask Hope how it is for him body. Ask Hope both of them how it is for him body. You see this fight where you want start. Soludo, let me tell you the truth. As at 4 days ago that you people held the meeting at Enugu, we all are aware of it. Understand? Where a Fulani caliphate rose up and be telling you that there's no any tribe that can win Igbos except you use Igbo against Igbo. And this is what is happening today. I have been lamenting and crying over this. Now look at how Okigwe is calm. You see how Okigwe is calm. I am the one that did it. Not even Hope, not even anybody. I am the one that calm it down. Ask question, make investigation very proper. I calm it down. Understand? Huh? When Ediafono, Onye de Kache Guan, aka Ediafono, was deceiving the people, I was lamenting, shouting. See, look at what is happening, including with the Udele, Ozu, stupid human being that can never even stand. Can you stand any of my guy, any of one of them? You can't even stand any of one of them. And you are ranting around making a noise. Why wouldn't you give location when you was at Owerri? Why playing the video after you might have left? After you have left back to Abuja, you play the video. Why can't you play the video when you was in Owerri? And make the video, give the location where you were, where you was. Stupid human being. Don't worry. My brother, you are not my brother, but let me call you my brother because it's Ribo. Man, I know you are a bastard. You are a son of the bitch. You are a bastard. Abuja Keno. Ano Malibo. Understand? I de Alibo. Gewa Nugu Hausa. Eben Nagishi. Plan man. Selfish idiot. You see all those on a plan. You people can never achieve it. Hence Biafra is concerned. You people can never achieve it. Mugus. Fuck all of Nadia. We come in peace. If you don't want peace, we give you people in peace. If you don't want pieces, we give you people in pieces. What a nonsense. What a fuck, man. Nonsense and stupid, hopeless, idiotic human beings. And for your information, All the whole military Biafran soldiers, take note from today, being 28th of January 2026, Eke Market. Eke Market. Listen and listen very carefully. Any Igbo man you see, practicing or a full member of Muslim in Igbo land, no need of telling you what to do. But I am giving the order today by the power bestowed upon me through my master, Triple General. Dry, no waste time. He kill everything about the person. We don't have Igbo Muslim, and it can never work in Biafra land. You are not selfish. You people are talking rubbish. Propaganda everywhere. Throwing allegation on us. Now I want to ask you people more question. You people are calling us terrorists. How many churches have we burnt down? How many churches have we sent ablaze? How many church members, church followers, church goers have we adopted? How many schools have we sent ablaze? How many schools attendants have we adopted? How many kidnappers have we done? Rubbish and selfish, idiotic people. You see Biafra? I told you people. Oh, that no one Biafra come there is a man on the Wafala Biafra. Man, hence, I come docha. The Bama de Bumata. Oh, I memory Bumata. The Prun Lila Gurumolua. Unlila Gura Lulu. Wapatarobia is or one Kala Biafra. Unlila Adabayeli Molua. And not right here, it's Nila. Or what Boka number? Come on, Ejida. What will hello, Mumma? Oh, come on here. Oh, my fight to work and I have come up today and I will still address Biafrans. Today I will address Biafrans. The entire world will hear from me. The entire world will hear from me. And after addressing Biafrans today, I will not go far. Then I will come back again. I will come back again to address Biafrans in a full time. In a way that everyone will understand what is happening and how we are suffering today in Biafra land.